Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error when you try to add music to your Instagram story and you also uh, see like this no results found. So how you can fix it? So now for fixing it, first thing, just try to close your app and open again. So this is the first thing, just close your Instagram app and open it again. And if it doesn't help you, just go to the settings, and in the settings you need to find Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, just turn it off and turn on again. And also if you're using mobile data, just turn off and turn on again your mobile data. Or also you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So if you still have the server, so just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you too, you can also try to report a problem on Instagram, or you can also just check updates for your Instagram. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab. In the search tab, just write Instagram. And if you see here not open but update, just tap on update. It means that you have available updates on your Instagram app. So just wait until it will successfully download and install the latest updates for your Instagram. So this is a way how you can also fix it. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.